Jawaharlal Nehru born 14th November 1889. What were the names of Nehru's parents? Father Motilal Nehru, Mother Swarup Rani. National Children's Day is celebrated on November 14. International Children's Day is celebrated on November 20. What is the meaning of Jawahar? Jewel. While Nehru was a student at Harrow Public School in England, he was given a nickname. What was that? Joe Nehru. Nehru was trained to be a barrister at Inner Temple. Where is Inner Temple? London. What is the name of Nehru's wife? Kamala Kaul. What is the name of Nehru's sister who became the first female president of the UN General Assembly? Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Who is the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru? Indira Priyadarshini. Which was Nehru's favorite flower which he always wore on his coat? Red rose. Who is known as Chachaji? Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the name of the newspaper started by Nehru? National Herald. When did Nehru first time meet Gandhiji? In 1916. When was Jawaharlal Nehru first elected as Congress President? In 1929. Salt suddenly became a mysterious word, a word for power. These words were told by Jawaharlal Nehru. When did Congress pass Quit India Movement resolution? 8th August 1942. Who wrote the book Glimpses of World History? Jawaharlal Nehru. To whom did Nehru dedicate his autobiography? Kamala Nehru. To whom Nehru wrote a collection of letters called Letters from a Father to his Daughter. To his daughter Indira Gandhi. Letters from a Father to his Daughter was translated to Malayalam by Ambadi Ikkavamma. A bright spot against a dark background. Who quoted this about Jhansi Rani? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who hosted the national flag of independent India at the Red Fort in Delhi for the first time? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which period Jawaharlal Nehru served as Prime Minister of India? 1947 August 15 to 1964 May 27. The light has gone out of our lives. Who said these words on Gandhi's death? Jawaharlal Nehru. The fourth All Kerala Political Conference held at Payyanur presided over by Jawaharlal Nehru. How many times was Nehru nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize? 11 times. Who was the longest serving Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. The Indian Prime Minister who initiated non-aligned movement? Jawaharlal Nehru. When did Nehru get Bharat Ratna? 1955. The first person to appear on coins in independent India? Jawaharlal Nehru. When did Jawaharlal Nehru die? 27th May 1964. Where is the resting place of Nehru? Shantivan. Who was the first person to get Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding in 1965? U Thant. What is the name of Nehru's residence as a Prime Minister, which is now a museum in his honor? Teenmurti Bhavan. What is the name of the biography of Nehru written by Shashi Tharoor? Nehru, the Invention of India. Who performed the role of Nehru in the film Gandhi? Roshan Seth. Bharat Ek Khoj, a popular Indian TV serial, is based on which book written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? The Discovery of India. Where is Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium? Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra.